Okay, my fourth rant is about Infinix. As you know, Infinix is an upcoming company, mobile company. They have now announced a new technology which they're calling as improved vapor chamber cooling system. They call it 3D vapor cloud chamber. It reduces temperature of the chipset up to 3 degrees. Any reduction is good, but as you know, the more and more flagship processors are heating up, including Apple, Snapdragon, Exynos, all are heating up now. They have given a brief explanation on that content, how it's done. They're saying the normal phone vapor chamber flat, which requires a thermal paste to mate between the chipset and virtual coolant. This 3D arc has a bump that leaves a small gap between the chamber and chipset. It has an additional advantage that it increases the internal volume of the vapor chambers. That means it can hold more water. The design is promising, but it has some challenges. As you know, vapor chambers are usually passive elements, so they rely on wick material to transfer the condensed water from the cool part of the phone to the hot area so that it can evaporate again. So Infinix team has figured out a sophisticated capillary structure and advanced welding technique to mitigate this problem. Anyhow, let's see how it comes out, or whether it's just marketing or whether it'll have an impact. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.